it's me, Blippi! And today, to celebrate 10 years of adventures with you, we're going to turn this bounce house into the most epic ball pit ever! Watch Blippi builds the biggest ball pit, now on YouTube. Wow, check it out! And we crossed the checkered line! And the crowd goes wild. Woo! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi! Whoa, and that was one epic race! Wow! Yeah! Whoa, and look, my race car won. Yeah! It's the color red with a white stripe on it. Well, kinda reminds me of the time I visited the Indy 500! Whoa! That was really fun. You know, and come to think of it, I have a lot of fun field trips where I learn all about vehicles. Ooh, what are some of your favorite field trips? Awesome! Ooh, just like the time I drove a fire truck. Ooh, hey, I have an idea. Let's count down our top 10 favorite vehicle field trips of all time. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Are you ready? Can you guess what number 10 is? Let's go! Woohoo! Ready, set, go! Vroom, vroom, race car! Yeah! Whoa! The Indianapolis Motor Speedway! Whoa, here we go! Whoa! Hey, there I am! Let's take a closer look. I am so excited to learn about so many different things, like race cars and racetracks and what it takes to be a professional race car driver. This is so fun! Come on, let's check out some of the fun things we did. Come on! Whoa, and look at this! It's a real-life race car! And professional race car drivers Alexander Rossi and James Hinchcliffe. Hey, wanna play a game of I Spy? I spy my name. Keep your eye out. It's me, Blippi.
Hey, Blippi.
Blippi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. It's really nice to meet you.
So good to see you, man.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
Is this your race car?
Sure is.
Whoa, it looks so fast and really cool. And hey, do you notice something? You have my name on it. Yeah! Good job!
You sure do, man, just for you.
Aw, thanks. Hey, will you spell my name with me?
Can we do it?
Yeah,
All right.
join in.
Let's do it.
Okay, here we go. Blippi. Blippi. Good job. Whoa, here it comes. Vroom, vroom. Whoa, that was really, really fast. I can't wait for her to come around again. Whoa, that car was really fast. But now it's my turn to ride the car. Whoa! Look at how fast I'm going. Faster than the speed of light. Just kidding. That's silly. Oh, but did you know the distance around one lap is 2.5 miles? It would take 1,650 cartwheels to go around. Whoa! Wow, that was so much fun! Yeah! We explored the Indy 500 racetrack, we met race car drivers, and we even rode in a race car! Woohoo! All right, are you ready for the next vehicle? Come on, let's go! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Rocket ships are one of my favorite vehicles. Who doesn't want to go to outer space and explore distant galaxies? 3, 2, 1, we're ready for blast off! Whoa! I don't see any rocket ships. Do you? Let's keep watching.
Just hanging out in this cardboard box. Check it out. It's like a bird. Whee! Oh, I have so many cardboard boxes around here. What are we to do with them?
Oh, can you guess what these boxes are turning into? Well, I'll give you a hint. Houston, we've got the Wiggles.
I have an idea. Why don't we take a few of these cardboard boxes and make something out of them? This is gonna be fun. Oh, hey, how are you doing? I'm just making a rocket ship out of these cardboard boxes. I am using these scissors nice and safely to cut a giant window out of it. Whoa, look at that! Wow. Ooh, now I can sit inside it later. Then we can explore outer space. I am so excited. Okay, and let's put the letter B.
B. Whoa, wait. My name starts with the letter B. B for Blippi.
There we go.
Yeah!
We just completed the rocket ship. So now we gotta get inside. Oh no! Do you see what I did?
Yeah, it's upside down.
We're so silly. Check this out. The window is right there. Yeah! That means we have to twist it this way. See? And now, my name is upside down.
Oh, well, that's really hard to read.
Outer space.
Well, but that's okay. Sure looks like an awesome rocket ship, perfect for exploring different galaxies and going to outer space.
So silly. Are you ready? Because I sure am. Here we go!
Whoa, here we go! To outer space! Yeah!
Woo! Yeah! Whoa! I'm upside down!
Uh-oh. Yeah, looks like the rocket's upside down.
Whoa! Whoa! Now, let's name the planets. Ready? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Wow!
Whoa, we visited so many planets. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it would be really cool to go to another solar system. Well, bye-bye. See you later. Yeah! Whoa! That was one awesome rocket ship! Yeah! And it was so much fun to explore the solar system, learning about our planets. Yeah! But the coolest part was building a rocket ship out of cardboard boxes and using our imagination to go to space. Hey, are you ready for some more vehicles? Let's see what's next. Woohoo! Fire trucks! Woo, woo, woo! Yeah, they're one of my favorites. Let's check it out. That's right, a fire truck! Check it out! Whoa! It's an actual Kidzania fire truck! Yeah! Whoa! I feel like I'm almost a real firefighter now. Hey, why don't we get in the fire truck and go on patrol? We can see the city, and even though I don't see a fire now, see any trouble, we can help others. Okay, let's do it! Woohoo! Here we go. Climb aboard. Think the fire's up ahead. Whoa, this is exciting. We need to put out the fire. I think I'm ready to help, and I have some help from my friends too. Oh, look, it looks like a building is on fire. Oh no! Looks like it's a job for the water hose. Fire hose. I think the fire's going away, but we need to keep working. Woohoo! We did it! We put out the fire! Oh yeah! Whoa! 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 We battled the fires and won! Yeah! Fire trucks are really cool. They help to keep the whole town safe from fires. That was such a fun field trip. Hey, do you hear that? It sounds like a toy car. I wonder what that is. Only one way to find out. Let's go! Yeah, a go-kart. Oh, I love go-karts. A go-kart is a type of race car, and they come in all shapes and sizes, but they're usually much smaller and lower to the ground. Let's check it out. Check it out! Whoa! Whoa! Look at this go-kart. It's so cool. Yeah, and they are so fun to race because they can go really, really fast.
Awesome. Hey, what color go-kart is this? Yeah, the main color of this go-kart is the color red. Whoa, this is so cool. And you see these wheels and tires? Yeah, they have some dirt and mud on them. Someone must have been racing this.
Did you know that the fastest go-kart ever could go 150 miles per hour? Wow, that's really fast. But your typical go-kart would go between 20 and 30 miles per hour. Yeah, just a little slower.
Is the engine of the go-kart. Whoa, there's so many parts. One way to turn it on is this. You pull it up and then it gets the motor turning and it turns it on. Provides the power so you can go fast.
I can't wait. I wonder how fast it goes. Okay, are you ready to go? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. First things first, safety first, yeah! Make sure you have your goggles, helmet, and your gloves.
Whoa! We need to give it a pull.
Whoa, look, it's go-kart time, yeah!
Here I go!
Whoa! Yeah!
Whoa! That was awesome!
Whoa! That was awesome! Whoa! As far as vehicles go, that was definitely one of the coolest. Hey, let's find out which vehicle is next on our list. Airplanes! Whoa! Do you remember this episode? Yeah! It's when we visited the Royal Air Force Museum in London. Whoa, that was fun. And we saw so many airplanes and helicopters. Woo! Well, let's go check it out. Whoa! Check it out! I'm in the cockpit of us. I'm gonna sit in the cockpit and feel like an actual Spitfire pilot. Whoa! Chris, what are all these buttons and controls?
Yeah.
Whoa, pilots need to do a lot of training because there are so many controls and buttons.
Or even where you're going.
Whoa, that's so cool. It looks like there's all these different dials and levers and buttons. Oh, and is this the steering wheel?
Yeah, it's called a spade grip. It looks a bit like a... Press those pedals at the bottom.
Whoa, check it out. Yeah, airplanes are amazing, but they don't exactly work like a car. Yeah, they have pedals and all kinds of controls so that the plane can go up and down and left and right. Whoa, check it out. That says throttle.
So that makes it go faster.
Whoa, faster and slower. Wow, this is so cool. I feel like I'm ready to be a pilot. Well, thanks so much for teaching me about the Spitfire, Chris.
You're welcome. Enjoy the flight.
See you soon. Whoa, I feel like a real-life pilot. Yeah! We've seen so many cool planes, and now we get to feel what it's like to fly in one. Flights. So you're in a plane really low to the ground. Okay, let's go inside. Check it out. Now I'm going inside of the simulator. Yeah, now I'm in the simulator, whoa, pretending to be a pilot. Check it out. Whoa, look at me spinning and turning. Whoa, that looks like it might make you a little dizzy. Whoa, or really dizzy. Whoa, that was awesome. Woo-hoo. Whoa, that was so cool. What's my next all-time favorite vehicle? Can you guess? Oh, wait a minute, we're halfway there. And I know I could use a break to wiggle and shake. What about you? Yeah! Woo! Whoa, that was so much fun. Yeah, sometimes it's really nice to take a break to stretch and get your wiggles out. Well, I think it's time to get back to those vehicles. Where did we leave off? Hey, do you remember where we left off? Let's review. Vroom, vroom, race car! Rocket ship! Fire truck! Go-kart! Whoa! Airplane! Woo! Yeah! Whoa! That was a lot of vehicles, but there's even more. Let's keep trucking along. Wait a minute, that's not a truck, it's a train! Choo-choo! Whoa. Trains are one of my favorite vehicles, and I remember this day very clearly. I learned about a locomotive and got to drive a train. Let's take a closer look. Oh, big! Whoa! Choo-choo! Oh, and look, there's a conductor. The front part of the train is the locomotive, and the back car of the train is called the caboose. 108?
Of course you can. Come on aboard.
Okay.
Go in through the nose.
Oh, okay. Let's go in through the nose. That's silly. So silly. Come on. Over here, Blippi. Whoa, look at the inside of the train. This is so cool. Yeah. Whoa, this part of the train, yeah, the locomotive is where the engineer drives the train. Yeah, the person who takes care of the engine and makes the train go is called the engineer. There are all kinds of, wow. Oh, I can't wait to drive it. Right here. Yeah, there's a switch for the lights, a switch for... Whoa, let's fast forward to when I get to drive the train. Come on. Okay, here we go.
There you go. The handle above the throttle, bump that forward once.
Hey? Whoa, yeah, the throttle controls the speed of the train.
Whistle twice.
Whoa, do you hear the whistle?
One notch.
Choo-choo.
And release the brakes.
Whoa, yeah, when you release the brakes, the train begins to move.
And away we go.
Whoa! Look at us go! We're operating a train in real life! Whoa! Yeah, and this is a diesel train, so it goes super fast! Yeah! Well, once those brakes were off, it started to go really fast.
Short, long.
Whoa! This is so fun! Hey, do you think I should pull the throttle another notch to go even faster? Okay, let's try it. Wow, it's so fun driving a diesel train. Well, but I also like electric trains, steam trains, all kinds of trains. Well, here it goes! Yeah! That was awesome! Choo-choo! Whoa! Are you ready to jump into the next vehicle? Yeah, let's go! Woohoo! Yeah! A boat! Boats are some of my favorite vehicles!
Hello! Hey! It's me, Blippi! And look at where I'm at! Whoa! Today,
I don't really remember this day very clearly. I'm sure it'll come back to me.
yeah! Do you like boats? Yeah, I do too! They're so cool how they float on the water, and they go from one place to the next. And you can see things along the way. Cool! Shall we find a boat that we can explore? Yeah! Let's go! Hey! Is this a radio? Whoa! Hey!
Hello! Marina! This is Deckhand Blippi, and I'm here to help. Captain Fred, we're gonna...
Whoa! Captain Fred? Yeah, the captain of a ship helps to steer the ship, and all the deckhands help the captain get to where they need to go.
Oh, yeah!
Honk, honk!
All right, here we go!
I'm a seal.
Whoa! This is so much fun!
Hey, did you know that large boats are called ships and small boats are called boats, or little boats?
Whoa, boats! Speaking of boats, that one is so massive! Whoa! Hey!
You can steer a boat with the captain's wheel. It's kind of like a steering wheel on a car.
Do you mind if I steer the boat for a little?
Do it.
Wow! Whoa! This is really cool. Whoa! Oh! Do you mind?
Go for it.
Here we go!
Toot toot! Maybe you can even see some animals, like a dolphin or a fish, or even a whale. Yarg, it's Pirate Blippi. Ark, I see land over there. Maybe there are some vehicles over there too. Ark, come on. Arr, 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 arr. Whoa! Monster trucks! Yeah! Monster trucks are one of my favorites! Woo! Yeah! Oh, I can't wait to see a monster truck! Yeah, this was such a fun day. Monster trucks are enormous! They are gigantic!
Do you see a monster truck anywhere around here? Whoa! Check it out!
Whoa, this monster truck's name is Gravedigger.
It's so big!
No way! Jinx!
Hey, what's up, Blippi?
Oh, hi, Bari. He's so nice.
Monster Jam driver, Bari Musa!
Whoa! 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 Well, a zombie's a cool monster truck. Yeah, and it's so cool to see monster trucks go so fast and crush cars! Yeah, super cool!
It's pretty amazing.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Zombie arms! Will you do some zombie arms with us?
Yeah, let's do it all together. Whoa! Whoa! Do you hear that? The engine is so loud! Bari's driving! Whoa! 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 a dozen donuts in the monster truck around the track. Whoa, that was so much fun. I can't wait to go back. Oh, I'm a zombie. Just kidding. Well, how about we check out the next vehicle? Yeah, let's go. Whoa, helicopters! Helicopters are one of my favorite vehicles too. Oh, and you know, helicopters can fly. You know another vehicle that can fly? Yeah, that's right, airplanes! Meow. Good job. Oh, let's go fly a helicopter. Yeah!
There it is, right there. Whoa!
Whoa, check it out. Helicopters don't have wings, they have propeller blades. Whoa!
All right. Cool. Whoa, it's so high up here.
They don't need a runway like a plane. They take off from the ground straight up. Whoa! And they can go in all different directions. Yeah! Woo. Whoa! Everything is so tiny. Or maybe I'm just giant.
Whoa! This was so much fun! Wow, and now we're back safe on the ground.
That was so much fun! Whoa! We saw the ocean, and we saw the mountains, and we saw so many trees! Yeah! I just love flying around like a bird up there. I can't wait to go back! How about we check out the next vehicle? Yeah! An excavator! Woohoo! My favorite vehicle of all time! Yeah, that's right. Number one, the excavator! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa, and check it out. Do you know what I was just driving? Yeah, that is a backhoe! Yeah, it's a little bumpy to drive, but so fun! Whoa, I love backhoes too. And do you see what's in the back of the backhoe? An excavator arm! The front bucket, you just move this knob right over here. Here we go. Check it out. Whoa, up, down. Whoa, yeah, the backhoe can push dirt and carry dirt in the front, and it can dig using the excavator arm in the back. Big bump! Yeah. But it's so fun driving in a backhoe because the tires and treads are so big that even if we drive over a couple bumps, it's okay. Yeah, can't hurt us. Here we go. We're gonna make a big turn. Whoa! It's an excavator. Yeah, look. There's the cab where workers sit to control. Whoa, that is the biggest, most ginormous, most humongous excavator ever! Yeah! Oh, but this excavator kind of looks like a ride. Yeah, you can sit in the bucket and go for a spin. Whoa, you know excavators don't have feet, and they don't have wheels. They roll on tracks. Yeah! Okay, I'm going to ride in the bucket. Whoa! Look at me go! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa, that's a lot of spinning. I love excavators! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! That was so fun! Whoa! Did you see that? Whoa! That was so much fun spinning in the excavator. I got a little bit dizzy. Ooh. Yeah! An excavator is definitely my favorite vehicle of all time! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Wow! Check it out! we made it all the way to number 1. Wow, that was a lot of vehicles. Thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun learning about all of those vehicles and looking back on some of our favorite field trips. Yeah! Wait a minute, I feel like I'm forgetting a vehicle. Monster trucks, race cars, rocket ships, helicopters, go-karts. I know, the Blippi-mobile! An excavator is definitely my favorite vehicle of all time, but the Blippi-mobile is definitely my favorite vehicle of all time. Yeah! Check it out!
Blippi-mobile. Click, click, put your seatbelts on. Get ready for a ride, we're gonna have some fun. In the Blippi-mobile, we'll drive away.
Now, we've covered all of our favorite vehicles. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you soon. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! 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 Yeah!
So many fun attachments on this Blippi-mobile. If you need to fly, use the butterfly wings. We don't even need the wheels. See you later. Excavator arm, no problem. Here you go. Duck feet, helicopter, activate. B-L-I-P-P-I. Let's M-O-B-I-L-E. Let's B-L-I-P-P-I. Let's M-O-B-I-L-E. Now let me tell you something about my Blippi-mobile. We don't need a road ahead. It goes anywhere for real. Underwater, in the sky, or even up in space. Wherever the adventure, it'll take us to that place. So let's ride. B-L-I-P-P-I. Let's M-O-B-I-L-E. Let's B-L-I-P-P-I. Let's M-O-B-I-L-E.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!